Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Dancing Shoes puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Gopit Kiam and made by Days Puzzles. Difficulty level of the Dancing Shoes puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 5 parts into the frame, all 4 black parts and 1 white piece. The Dancing Shoes puzzle got his name from the shape of the parts, since they look like shoes, and when you find the solution it will look like they're dancing. The frame has a red inner part and a black outer part, and it is a throwback to a very famous black shoe with a red bottom. The fifth piece looks like a cross, and you have to find a spot for it as well. But once you start putting parts inside, like you can put one piece, then you try to put another one, then you add one more piece and one more, you will find that there is not enough space for the last piece, and you will try to have a different approach, like putting these parts in a different way, but you will end up with no space for the last piece as well. But there is a very interesting trick to this puzzle, and once you find it, you will find why the puzzle has its name Dancing Shoes. It's a very nice puzzle with a very beautiful solution. If you like the Dancing Shoes puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.